Good morning, children. Thought for the day. Ships in harbor are safe, but that's not what ships are built for. What the thought means is that even if everything is comfortable, that does not mean that it is all right. It means you are going in a wrong direction. If you wish to move further, you have to move. You just cannot stand. With this thought in mind, let us move further with the new chapter, Sound. Some events are given below. Put a tick mark in the box if you have experienced the event. If not, put a cross in the box. First, clap your hands together. Play a musical instrument. Third, burst a firecracker. Fourth, knock on a closed door. Fifth, whistle using the cap of a pen. Sixth, place your palm on a mobile that is ringing. Seventh, swung the clapper of the bell and the bell rang. 8. A metal utensil fell down with a clatter. 9th. There was a thunderclap in the sky. 10th. Put your hand on a speaker which is producing sound. All these events you have experienced in your day-to-day life. Sound is generated in all the above mentioned events. And what you also study is that vibrations are produced in the objects which generate sound. All these vibrations are imparted to the molecules in the air and they get further transferred from one molecule to the other. And in this way, the vibrations reach our ears and the sound is heard. It is seen that sound is generated due to a variety of events. And in some example here, sound was generated due to vibration of an object. For example, the bell or the strings or diaphragm of a musical instrument. While in some examples like bursting a cracker, clapping a lightning strike, vibrations are not actually felt. However, vibrations are produced in these cases as well. All these vibrations are imparted to the molecules in the air and sound is produced. So you must have seen that when a stone is thrown into a calm water or a lake, the waves are generated and they reach up to the banks of the lake. Similarly, vibrations reach our ear through the air in a similar way and the sound is heard. Use your brain power. When a singer tunes the musical instruments before he starts singing, what exactly does he do? He ensures that the tanpura will produce the required notes by adjusting the tension in its string. That is, he tunes the tanpura. A tabla player tunes the tabla by hammering the pegs to adjust the tension in the diaphragm of the tabla. The harmonium accompanist finds out beforehand the key in which the singer will sing. To tune an instrument is to adjust how high or low the pitch of the notes produced will be. The pitch of a sound depends upon its frequency. In Indian music, the musical notes sa re ga ma pa dha ni are of increasingly higher pitch. In scientific terms, frequency is a measure of pitch. Definition of sounds. Vibration that travel through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear. And any object that vibrates produces sounds. A vibration is a movement about a fixed point. Waves. A wave can be described as a disturbance that travels through a medium from one location to another location. When the string of a musical instrument such as a tanpura is plucked, the string can be seen to vibrate, but the two ends of the vibrating string are still. As it vibrates, the string moves to one side of the central position and comes back to the central position. This motion of the string is repeated again and again at fixed intervals of time. Such motion is called periodic motion. Always remember, sound is generated by rhythmic vibration of an object. We can hear the sound as long as the object vibrates. But when we touch the vibrating object with a hand, the vibrations stop and we no longer hear the sound. Sometimes we can see the vibrations, but sometimes the vibrations are so minute that we cannot see them with our eyes. Make a list of musical instruments you are familiar with. Find out which part of the instruments vibrates and produces the sound. So you can do this activity on your own. Such vibrations that produce sound can be studied with the help of a simple oscillator.